Hey guys, welcome back to Ghost the Freelancer. How are you doing today? And for this recording, we are working on a head from UHRS Oneforma. It is Page Usefulness version 2 Spanish or V2 Spanish. So we have to judge this query and compare it with the website that should display right here. Okay, so for the query, sunrise images, and the location is United States. I tagged this particular website as very satisfied, and we got the correct answer. So the reason behind it is this page contains an image gallery with multiple sunrise images. The query is asking for sunrise images, so seeing multiple sunrise images when navigating to this page fully satisfies the user intent. Moving on to the next, I'm looking for the guidelines. I don't see the guidelines anywhere. But anyways, moving on to the next is Cedric Rees. The intent is to see images of a non celebrity person named Cedric Rees. So, this is going to be the website. Again, guys, this is the Spanish version. So, hold on here. Let me just show the original query. So, Cedric Rees, for this one, how satisfied would a user be with this page? Here's the guideline. Very satisfied. The display page make a great result for this query. The page will provide additional information about the image in the context of the query. Partially, this page is only partially useful for the query. Relevant information might not be substantial or can be harder to get to. Page can somewhat tangential to the topic of the query image, and you can easily imagine a better page for this query or image. Disappointed, the page is unexpected, irrelevant given this query and this image. The page has hardly any extra information over what the image already provides. For example, the page only contains the image and no other useful information on top of that. Broken, the page does not display. Note that the presence of CAPTCHA test should not make the page broken. In this case, you will have to open the page in a new tab and pass the CAPTCHA test and judge the original page. Can't judge isn't enough information. Page is foreign. The displayed page is in a language other than English. I don't know why this one is called Spanish. But anyways, moving on. Cedric Rees, and this one talks about a person named Cedric Rivrain. So that's going to be disappointed. It'll be foreign. Hey, this is Spanish. Okay, whatever. Let's agree to that. What to do in an earthquake infographic? Infographic, how to be prepared for earthquake. Uh, Hold on here. For me, this is very satisfied. Low. It's partially satisfied, I guess. Let's agree to it. For this one, Jessica Mesa, Houston, Texas. Mm, the goal is, hold on here. Disappointed, partially satisfied. Homepage, different page, link redirects to a different page can be homepage at the same website. A standard page stating that this page does not exist. All right, for this one, I think I need to be logged in to LinkedIn. But hold on here. I'll pull it up on the. Okay, got a lot of Jessica Meza here, business development specialist. I would go with partially satisfied. Let's see. It's cannot judge. This query is looking for a specific person. All right, let's agree to it. Got two mistakes now. It's a training mode and qualification. Florida map. This is going to be satisfied for me. The similar images section on the page is outside of the main content. Okay, let's agree to it. We're getting a lot of messages, of errors. Florida map. I would go with very satisfied here. All the Freddies, that's very satisfied as well. Michigan governor race 2018. Fix the damn roads. Hold on here. I'll go with partially satisfied. It's full. Okay. For mistakes, I'm not sure if we are going to pass this. This is the first time I'm trying it. 67 Camaro. Uh, this is very satisfied for me. Moving on to the next is Truth or Dare Scary Movie. What is this? Okay, this is just partial. Uh, Probably to watch the movie with friends during Halloween. It is possible that the intent is to check if there is a sequel. I want to close that. If the movie is to check what keeps the actors. s- Oh man, I don't like to listen to this. Uh, I'll go with. Hold on here. Remember the goal. Partially, this page is partially useful for this query. Relevant information might not be substantial. I'll go with partially satisfied here. Okay, it's full. We're getting a lot of mistakes, guys, so please take note of those. Apex Legends Season 3, update whole new map. This is very satisfied for me. Moving on to the next is now this is the thing with the captcha. So here pick teeny rail for key mods for sale. Uh 357. I'll go with very satisfied here. Let's see how it goes. I might have to retake this qualification. There are no hits available. Let's see how it goes here. Let me go back to the market. We need to qualify now. 15 hits to qualify. So BMW 7509098. I will go with very satisfied here. Moving on to the next is agility ladder drills. Um, I would go with partially satisfied here. 1950 style drawings of flowers. I'll just go with partially satisfied as well. Camila Cabello. I will go with very satisfied here. Uh Man, that's disappointed. For this one, Alice in Wonderland. The users probably wants to see images from the book Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. It also it is also possible that the intent is to see fan-made drawings. Uh, I'll go with disappointed here. Super Mario World screenshot. I'll go with satisfied or very satisfied here. And this one, blue and gray uh, decorative bath towels. Mm, I'll go with. Hold on here. Yeah, it could be very satisfied as well. There were multiple images. Growth between dog's toes. Uh, I will go with very satisfied as well. Blonde red dress. I'll go with partially here. Hold on. Yeah, just partially satisfied. Bob Gates, Omaha University. Yeah, I'll go with very satisfied here. The Common Man Restaurant. I'll go with satisfied here as well. Cat Halloween wallpaper. Definitely very satisfied as well. Guys, I really hope we pass this one. Um, Let me just 13 hits. 14K gold clasps for bracelets. 14 14K gold clasps for bracelets. I'll go with very satisfied here as well. I really hope we pass this one. Avengers. Uh, just partially satisfied here. Okay, guys, we did it. We passed the Page Usefulness version 2 Spanish version. Again, my name is Ghost, the freelancer. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a video. And you can also find us on Facebook. Our group name is Clickworker Philippines and the Ghostly Hitters. You have to subscribe to the channel and then answer the relevant membership questions before we welcome you there. Thank you for watching and have a good day.